Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, where we decode the financial secrets that shape your world. And today we're diving into Sachem Capital Corp. If you love getting these no sugar-coated financial breakdowns, make sure you are subscribed and check out our Discord link in the description below. Get ready as we unlock the latest report from Sachem Capital Corp. This isn't just any update, it is a peek into their dividend plans and how they're managing their financial obligations. So, Sachem Capital Corp is reminding us about their common shares, the basic building blocks of ownership in the company. They're traded on the NYSE American with the ticker SAC. Think of these as the regular stocks you'd typically buy. Then there is their preferred stock, specifically the 7.75% Series A cumulative redeemable preferred stock. This is a bit different. It has a fixed dividend rate and gets paid before common stockholders in certain situations. Its ticker is SAPRA. This is a New York-based company, incorporated there, and they've been in business long enough to have a solid history. You can see their filing number is 001-37997. Now let's get to the heart of what is happening. On the 4th of December, Sachem Capital Corp announced some important news about dividends. This is what everyone interested in the company's cash flow and payouts wants to know. Scroll on the 4th of December 2025, Sachem Capital Corp issued a press release, a copy of which is attached hereto as Exhibit 99.1, announcing that its board of directors authorized and declared a quarterly dividend of $0.05 per common share, par value $0.001 per S-share of the company to be paid on the 30th of December 2025 to shareholders of record as of the 15th of December 2025, and $0.0484375 per S-share on the company's 7.75% series, a cumulative redeemable preferred stock, par value $0.001 payable on the 30th of December 2025 to shareholders of record on the 15th of December 2025. Scroll, they declared a quarterly dividend for the common stock that is $0.05 per S-share. This means if you own 100 shares of common stock, you will receive $5. This dividend will be paid out on the 30th of December to shareholders who own the stock by the 15th of December. It is a way for the company to share its profits directly with its owners. For the preferred stock, the dividend is a bit higher at $0.0484375 per S-share. That is a pretty good return for preferred holders, especially considering the dividend covers the period from late September all the way through late December. This shows that preferred stockholders are getting a consistent and full payment, which is a good sign of financial stability for that class of stock. And in this section, they've included the press release itself as Exhibit 99.1, which is where all this dividend information came from. They also have what is called an interactive data file, which is basically a standardized way to present financial information for computers to read. Now, looking at the bigger picture for Sachem Capital Corp, based on this report, the primary focus is on their commitment to returning value to shareholders through dividends. This is a positive sign for investors because it shows the company is generating enough cash to not only operate but also to reward its owners. For common shareholders, the $0.05 dividend is a steady income stream, while the more substantial dividend for preferred stockholders highlights their priority in the company's financial structure. What is notably absent from this particular filing is detailed financial performance figures like revenue or profit. This report is more about post-announcement details rather than a deep dive into quarterly earnings. The ability to consistently pay dividends, especially on preferred stock, suggests that the underlying business operations are stable. We need to look at other filings to get the complete financial health picture, but this dividend declaration gives us a clue that management is confident in their current financial standing. A key risk for companies like this, especially those with significant debt obligations like the notes due in 2026 and 2027 mentioned in the initial XML data, is interest rate risk and their ability to refinance or manage that debt. This report doesn't directly address that, but it is an ongoing consideration for any financial institution. The fact that they are paying dividends suggests they are managing these risks effectively for now. In conclusion, Sachem Capital Corp is showing its commitment to shareholders with these dividend declarations. It is a signal of stability and a direct reward for investors. While we don't have the full financial performance details here, the dividend announcement is a positive note. What are your thoughts on Sachem Capital Corp? Its dividend strategy, do you own any of their stock? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more corporate insights. And don't forget to join our Discord community for deeper discussions. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Decode.